In today's video of TechTube, I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Professional mode or digital creator mode on Facebook allows you to monetize your Facebook account on your videos through banner ads or through receiving stars. Now, if you want to turn this professional mode off on your Facebook account, let's head over to Facebook first and then tap on the profile icon on the top left. Once you're on the profile section of your Facebook, besides view tools, you'll see an option of the three dots right here. You can tap on it, and inside of profile settings you can see an option which says turn off professional mode. You just need to tap on it and tap on continue, and you can see some of the things that will change and some of the things that will remain the same. So if you agree, tap on turn off, and there you go. As easy as that, you have now successfully turned off professional mode on Facebook. So that was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.